Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tech Tricks. Here I'm going to share you few of the Excel tips. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the trick how we can copy the data from one Excel sheet to another Excel sheet. So I have taken one Excel sheet here, you can see in my system. So this is the sheet 1 and this is the sheet 2. In sheet 1 we have data, and in sheet 2 let me remove this. Okay, so in sheet 1 we have data, and in sheet 2 we don't have any data. Now we will use the Excel formula here in sheet 2, through which we can completely uh, copy the data from this sheet 1 to sheet 2. Like, we will not use any copy function here. We can simply write the Excel formula here, and through that Excel formula all the data from sheet 1 will be copied to sheet 2. So let's start. Now suppose this is the sheet 1 and we want the data from this column, average price. We want this data, the average price column, to be copied in sheet 2. So here I will be using the formula here. We will go to sheet 2 and we will write here. Click on the cell first cell, and then give the formula as equal to, then index, and then give a bracket here. And now we will go to sheet 1. And in sheet 1 we will copy this column, or if you want you can copy the whole page itself, whole sheet itself. So if you want you can copy the whole sheet. So what I will do, I will click on the first cell here, and then I will click CTRL shift and down. So I will show you the keys what we have to use here. So this is the CTRL, this is shift key, and this is down key. So we have to press all these three keys together. Now we will go here, CTRL shift down, and after clicking that we have to press, we have selected this column, and now we will press the same thing, CTRL and shift, and then we will move to the right side. So this is the option for the right. Now we will we have already selected one column. Now we will select the whole thing. For that we need to click shift CTRL and this one, the right option. And we have let me check. Fine. So we have already selected this, CTRL shift down and then the right one. See, now whole data got selected. Now we will give one column, one comma here, and then we will select the row number from where we want to take the data. So we want average price data. So average price data is starting from here. So if you want to take the data from the first cell, you need to give one row number. Row number will be 1. These are the rows and these are the columns. So here we want from the first row. From here we want. So we will give 1 here. Then again we will give comma. After giving comma, we will give the column number. So here we are going to take average price. So we need to take out the column number of average price. So let's start to calculate the column number. So we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the column number of average price is 10. So here after giving the comma, we will write 10. After giving 10, we will close the bracket and then press enter button. Now you can see we have copied the first row of 10th column. It is copied here. And now just drag it like this and click on the right corner, down, the down one. And then click here and just come down like this. Now you can see the data is copied. Like this we can do for the other columns also. Suppose now we want to take out the symbol. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the same formula, the formula whatever we have taken here. We'll take the same formula, we will copy it, paste it here. Just a second, sorry. I'll paste the formula in this one. And here we will do only one thing, we will change the column number. So in this one, for average price we have taken the column number 10, and now we want the symbol, so we will change this number here. The column number for the symbol is 1, so in this place we will use, in place of 10 we will use 1, and then again enter. See, the first cell of the symbol is copied, and now again we will click on this corner part and we will drag down. Now you can see everything is copied. Just like that we can copy other things also. Just you need to change this last number, the column number you need to change, and everything will be copied. So friends, if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any of the issue related to it, please ping in the comment box. Thank you.